Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable brand watermark. So now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark, just like this one. Okay, so it's hard to see watermark here because photo is so bright. Okay, let me take another photo. Okay, so this one is not that bright, and here you clearly can see the watermark. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.